All right, we're out pre-construction doing a site walk, trying to measure out the house box, get it laid. And we've got Ernie out here, who's the project manager. We got the owner of the company, John Smith, out here, and Johnny, another PM. You guys want to just talk to us a little bit about what we're doing out here today?
Sure. So we're out here. We just got done clearing the lot on Lake Norman. We're out here looking at the topography of the lot, discussing what's the best way to have this house sit in here to where it'll help save the homeowner money with, as you can tell, we have quite a bit of topography here. So Ernie, when you're walking around with your laser, what are you thinking through on the steps of what we're doing here today to help out, discuss with the homeowner exactly how many steps they'll have and exactly what their house is going to look like after what we do today?
Yeah, that's exactly right. That's what we're doing out here today. The goal overall for the whole team and why we're all out here is bouncing ideas off of each other and trying to come up with the best way to save as much money as we possibly can in the building of this house, given the lot that we're on. So we come out and figure out about how high the front of the house has to be, and therefore how high, in this case, the back of the house is going to be, and then what that pertains to as far as foundation costs, blocking, and if there's other ways to do this. So we're just out here trying to figure out what is the best way to get everything done to satisfy our customer, make sure we're having the highest quality of build, giving them what they want while also saving them as much money as possible. And we don't just build houses without thinking about it. That's why we're all out here taking our time, laying eyes on it, spending some actual real time figuring out where the steps are going to be, how many steps we're going to have. Does that mean handrails in the garage? Well, what does that mean to pull the car into the garage if there's a bunch of steps and a handrail right there? And then what does that mean off the back deck when we got 19 steps coming off the back because we have steps up the front? So can we drop the whole house off the front, save some elevation on the back? These are the kind of things that we're out here talking about. When we do this after we get everything surveyed, you can see the blue little ribbons all over in the ground. Those are the pins of where the house box is going to be, so that when we're out here, we're not just willy-nilly in ideas. We can actually stand in the actual rooms, on the actual back deck, in the actual garage, and figure out where these heights are exactly going to be so that we can figure out, okay, that means we got to do what, and then we can give some options to our customers and figure out how they want to handle some of the situations, and here's the solutions that we've come up to so far. So that's kind of what we're doing out here today.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah, and I mean, we definitely always have the homeowner's best interest in mind. Especially, nobody wants a lot of steps on your front porch to walk into your house, and nobody wants a lot of steps coming from the garage into the house. So we definitely try to take that circumstance and work with the foundation and work with our surveyors and our engineers on the best way to set this house in here so we don't have a lot of steps and we don't have handrails and things that the homeowner doesn't want if we can help it.
All right. Thank you, guys.